Hello friends, this is Anish Desai and I am starting my new channel to solve difficult problems from various CET exams and also help you solve through IIT JEE exams. Let's get started with few of the aptitude questions here. First question is a right circular cone of maximum size was carved out of a right circular cylinder. Height and radius of this cylinder is the same. Radius and cylinder are same. The difference between the volume of cylinder and the conical structure is 4928 centimeters. If the respective height and the radius is a ratio of the height and radius, that is 6:7, find the height of the cylinder. This is the question that we will solve today. From this statement, the difference between the volume of the cylinder of the conical structure and this, we can write that pi r square h is the volume of cylinder and minus 1/3 pi r square h. Pi r square h is the volume of conical cone, and here we consider that h is the height of the cylinder and as well as the cone, and r is the radius of the cylinder and the cone. So solve this equation. Let's see the solution of this equation now. Here's the drawing of this equation. Cone is inscribed inside the cylinder because the cylinder is cone is made from the cylinder, so we can directly write it as cone inscribed in the cylinder. Take some time to solve this equation, and here's the solution. Given the difference between the volume of the cylinder and the cone is 4928. Next, ratio of h by r, that is height and radius, is given as 6:7, which gives h is equal to x. We can write this as h is equal to 6x and r is equal to 7x. Further, the equation we can, as we discussed earlier, the equation becomes pi r square h minus 1/3 pi r square h is equal to 4928, which will give the equation as r square h, which will become 2/3 pi r square h, 4928. If we see this number 4928, we can see that it is divisible by 7, as 49 is divisible by 7 and 28 is divisible by 7. So the entire number should be divisible by 7. Substituting the value for h and r in the equation, we can see this 7 is cancelled here. This becomes 49 as it is squared. This 7 will cancel this 49 and we'll get 7 here. This becomes 704, and this 3 will get cancelled with this, leaving 2 here. Okay, and then again you can cancel this 2 with this, leaving 3 5 2 3 5 2. Then again let us cancel. The 7 goes with the 7, okay, and this 2 will get cancelled again with this, leaving 1 7 and 6, 176, 176. So in 22 8 is 120, 176, 176. So this final equation becomes x cube, from x squared and this x squared and this x cube is equal to 8. So x becomes 2. Yeah. So the height of the cone is equal to 6x into, that is 6x is given by 6x from this equation. So 6 into 2 is equal to 12. This is the answer. Hope you understand this answer. Please like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe to my channel also. You can also leave comments for new questions that you want me to solve. Thank you.